Hi, are you looking for a large single family in Somerville? If so, you want to check out 14 Kent Court right on the Cambridge line. Hi, I'm Carlos with the Santana team, and we are in a 2016 full gut renovation. This is a 5-bed, 4.5 bath, and the owner's put in a brand new kitchen with other new upgrades. Location is key with easy access to Porter and Harvard squares. This has a great layout with over 3,600 square feet, a lot of storage, and is ready for the next family to enjoy. Be sure to check out santanateam.com to schedule a private tour and for the next open house.